Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Revitalize your front yard with our array of inspiring landscaping concepts. Then breathe new life into your outdoor space. From lush greenery to captivating flower arrangements, we offer ideas that will enhance your home's curb appeal and leave a lasting impression. Dive into your do-it-yourself backyard patio ideas where creativity meets functionality and transform your outdoor wishes into a cozy treat. Whether you're a novice or seasoned do-it-yourself enthusiast, our suggestions cater to all skill levels, allowing you to personalize your patio with ease. Embrace the beauty of nature with sustainable design elements and eco-friendly materials, creating a space that's both stylish and environmentally conscious. With the focus on innovation and ingenuity, our concepts empower you to turn your outdoor dreams into reality. One project at a time, say goodbye to blind and outdoor space and hello to a world of endless possibilities where imagination knows no bounds. Let our inspiring idea can be catalyst for your next outdoor adventure as you embark on a journey of creativity and self-exploration. Transform your front yard and backyard into heavens of beauty and tranquility, where memories are made and moments cherished for years to come. Thanks for watching. Most of all, subscribe, like, Interior Designs channel.